Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can unblock someone on the mobile phone. So without wasting time, let's start video. If you find this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. So firstly open your dialer of mobile phone and here you will see three dot on the top right corner. Click on it and then click on setting, and the next stage you will see block number, so click on it and then you will see your blocked number. So if you want to unblock someone, and you will see right side a line, so just click on it. So after that you can see this number is unblocked. So guys, in this way you can unblock anyone from your mobile phone. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, then please give like this video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.